Scheduling a repair is two questions. When is someone free, and how far is he from the address? Here's a day on the board that answers both without a phone call. This is what the office sees. Every technician gets his own column, and every job on it carries the appliance, the address, and what the customer says is wrong. And under the calendar, the same day as a map. Every visit on it, and every pin carrying the time someone is due there. A call comes in. Quick job, straight from the board. The customer's name and phone go in first. Every address is searched, not typed, so it comes back with coordinates already on it. Now pick the technician, and this is where the map earns its place. You can see who is already working near that address, what time they're booked, and whether one more visit fits between the jobs they have. The office can see where every technician is working, so a new job goes to the one it fits. Set the arrival window, notify the customer or don't, and create. It opens as a real job: appliance, address, technician, invoice. And if you change your mind about who takes it, reassign it right here. Here's the one that saves the most phone calls. When the parts for a job arrive, that job shows up as ready to install, so the office knows what can be booked without asking a single technician. Take one, drop it on a technician and a time slot, and the return visit is scheduled, next to the work he's already doing in that part of town. The board tells you what it just did. Scheduled for 3 o'clock, John Smith. 2 parts off the shelf and into the calendar, and the list of work waiting on parts is empty. On board, the calendar, the parts, and the map. Taskrol.com.